Dive into our tutorial and learn how to download and install Ethernet drivers for Windows 11 or 10. Whether you are troubleshooting network issues or setting up a new system, we have got you covered with step-by-step guidance. Stay connected and get back online smoothly by mastering the art of installing Ethernet drivers on your PC. Step 1. Identify your computer's motherboard or network adapter model. Step 2. Visit the official website of the computer or network adapter manufacturer. Step 3. Go to the support or downloads section. Step 4. Download the latest Ethernet or LAN drivers compatible with your system. Step 5. Run the installer and follow on-screen instructions for installation. Step 6. Alternatively, use Device Manager to update drivers. Right-click Start, select Device Manager, locate the network adapter, right-click and choose Update Driver. Step 7. Opt for the option to search for updated driver software automatically. Step 8. Reboot your system after installation for changes to take effect.